pretty excited about this. My buddy Robbie Gordon, Speed Tools, got this from them. So it's their new tool kit. So it's got pretty much everything that you need for a like a roadside fix or trackside fix. Pretty cool. Everything's all organized, has its own place where everything goes. You take this guy off. Got AN wrenches, some wire stripping, crimping tools. So that's pretty cool. You got these, you can actually put them on the ground. So if you're in the dirt, you don't have to sit in the dirt or kneel in the dirt. It's got these little tabs, so you can grab those, pull the tools out. So we got wrenches, all organized, everything from all the major standard and metric tools that you would need. Cool part is too, ratchet wrenches. They're actually really nice quality. You get this nice like black chrome kind of finish on them. Pull that out, and you can also pull this out. So that could be like your tray. Say you're taking something apart on the side of the road in the dirt. Use that to throw all your nuts and bolts or what have yous in there. Get this out of the way. Another nice little soft pad there. And we got another, so I haven't even opened this yet. So we got a whole set of sockets here. We got, let's see, quarter drive. We got 3/8 drive. Yeah, super nice. Speed Tools. We even got 1/2-inch drive. And over here, we got extensions for quarter, 3/8, and half with swivels. And there's swivel extensions too. You see that swivel extension, you push it in all the way, it kind of tightens it up. So it's a swivel extension and swivel sockets. We got deep, short, regular, standard, another tray for your hardware to go into. So that's cool. And then here we got really nice torque wrench, which is a nice touch. So nice torque wrench in there. Safety glasses, got like a brass punch, soft hammer, got a regular ball peen style hammer here. Everything's nice, everything's super nice, all etched with Speed Tools. Got some punches in here, got a pry bar, test light. Another cool thing. So you got some Torx in the handle of this guy. But yeah, pretty much everything you need. Center punch, you get calipers, there's a flashlight in one of these drawers. Yeah, so it's got flashlight, got a brush, some scissors, some safety wire, tools. So yeah, pretty good all-around kit for throwing in your truck. And we even have a mount for it, a quick release mount, that we'll go bug Matt about. So yeah, check this out. Yeah, so that's our quick release mount. It has optional ratchet strap point as well. So the end right there, the wheels just kind of clip in to those two little points right there. And then you drop the other end in with the quick release pin, and then it holds itself in there. So we've made these before, and for the Pelican 1510 case, and we've never had an issue with it. So we're gonna make those again to go with this toolkit. So it's just a nice way to mount it, nice mounting solution instead of just kind of ratchet strapping it in the bed or something like that. So you could weld onto this bracket, do pretty much anything you want. We sell it powder coated with some mounting holes in it, so you could flat mount it to like the inside of your bed or the side of your bed or anything like that, or bolt it to some mounts that you make to work on your chassis. So it's pretty universal and definitely comes in handy to have all those tools on the side of the road instead of taking all your nice tools out of your toolbox and throwing them in a bag and beating them all up. So hopefully I never have to use that thing, but I'm glad that I have it now. Just some nice insurance to have when you're out, especially when you're out on a trail out in the middle of nowhere by yourself. It's nice to have a good, solid set of tools. So thanks again to Robbie Gordon and Speed Tools for sending this out.